sentences which are uh, normally which are true in every situation. These are sentences about scientific processes. For example, like we say, if uh, we boil water, it turns to vapors. Okay, this is a scientific process. If we boil water, it turns to vapors. In both the part, in conditional sentence type 0, we use present simple tense in both the parts. With if clause and with main clause, we use present simple. That's the idea. But again, it is also possible to use this idea by saying that if we boil water, it will turn. It will turn. But if you use this structure, then this will be conditional sentence type 1. The type will change it. It won't be the 0 type. So with conditional sentence type 0, these are like natural processes or natural phenomena, you can say, um, uh, which are always true, okay, which cannot be avoided. So if the examiner is trying to give you such kind of structure, the sentence uh, could be like if he boil water, he might use uh, will turn here, like in this case, right? He might say will turn, and or he might use some, for example, second form here. Okay, the examiner will try to confuse you by working on either of the parts of the verb by changing the form with it. So you need to remember that in any case, if it is a natural process, then in both the parts, present simple will be used. Okay, so on the whole, we see that there are like these four different types of conditionals. Type 1 is, as a quick review, the type 1, it is like conditional sentence type 1 is a possible situation. We have subject plus present simple, and we have if, then we have subject, and we have future simple. Okay. In conditional sentence type 2, we have subject plus uh, would plus first form of verb, and if, then subject plus past simple. Okay. In type 3, which we studied in the beginning, the very first example that I gave you, uh, I wouldn't have come where I have if I haven't come the way I came. That was conditional type 3, where we have subject plus would plus have plus third form of verb, and we have if subjects plus past perfect. Okay, and then we have also that zero condition sentence type zero, where we have subjects plus present simple and with if subjects plus present simple. Now it will be a good idea to do some practice. One of the way is to make sentences of each of the type. Let's say you make sentences of type 1. It depends on like how much time do you have, 50 or 100 sentences, because it comes with a lot of practice. You need to practice a lot. uh, they are a bit sometimes confusing because what the examiner does is he mixes type 1 and type 2 or type 2 and type 3 to create a bit of confusion for you. So if you are not clear as to like what the sentence is saying individually, how each of the sentences is saying individually, then probably we might have problem. Huh?